Find the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. Here 2x square minus 4x plus 3. See, to find the nature, we need to find discriminant. B square minus 4ac. And if discriminant value, if it is greater than 0, real and distinct. Greater than 0, real and distinct. If you want, you can tell like rational and irrational also. Real, distinct, rational or irrational. If b square minus 4ac value, if it is less than 0, not real, or you can call it like imaginary. If b square minus 4ac, if it is equal to 0, real and equal. Now, if you compare with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c, the value of a is 2, b is minus 4, c is 3. Now, if you find the discriminant here, b square minus 4ac, so b value is minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So now 4 square is 16 minus 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 24. So discriminant value is minus 8. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0, not real. Nature is not real, or you can write imaginary roots.